Good morning, welcome to my class. Today we are going to see the 1B program. So this is under SS and OAS lab module, and we are going to evaluate the arithmetic expression involving the operators called plus minus. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division by using the YAC program. So YAC program is similar to the LEX program, but we are using here .y extension, and this is we can call it as a parser. And now we'll see the program code. So it just provides a general tool for imposing structure on the input to a computer program, and this is a collection of grammar rules, and each rule describes an allowable structure and give its name called .y, and it just prepares a specification of the input process and generates a function to control the input process too, and we can call this function it as a parser. And the name is an acronym for yet another compiler, and this generates a code for the parser in the C programming language. And so this YAC was developed at AT&T for the Unix OS. It has also been rewritten for other languages including Java and Ada, and the function parser calls a lexical analyzer to pick up the tokens from the input string. So in C code, we are going to parse the input, that is we are going to scan the file, and we are going to take action. What actions is going to be taken for the tokens is matters a lot. In rule section, the open brace and close brace is followed by the global variables, parameters, etc. So these tokens are organized according to the input structure rules, and the input structure rule is called a grammar. When one of the rule is recognized, then user codes applied for this rule is invoked, and actions have the ability to return values and makes use of values of other actions. So now we'll see steps in writing the YAC program. So we are using the gedit editor, and we are going to create a file with extension y, and we can say the example gedit filename.y. And second step, by using the same format YAC -d and filename.y and lex filename.l. So we are going to compile. So by using the C compiler, cc y.tab.c and lex.yy.c -ll. So to run the program, we are using ./a.out. And this is a structure of YAC source program. We have a definition section or declaration section, rule section, and then code section. So this is a general format for the YAC file and this is very similar to that of the LEX file. So definition section and rule section, and then user subroutine section. So percentage and percentage, this is a delimiter, and it's up to the mark the beginning of the rule section. So this is a definition section. It just defines the stack type for the parser, and it is a union of various data structures and objects. And so these are the terminals written by YY-lex function to the YAC. So this is automatically generated by the LEX. In the rule section, this should be followed by the regular expression, and it consists of a list of grammar rules which is called the regular expression, and it represents a non-terminal name, the colon and semicolon. These are the YAC punctuation, and body represents the names and literals. The literal consists of a character, and it should be enclosed in a single quotes. So this is the LEX part. Now we will see the definition part first. So this is it should be starting with percentage and open brace #include y.tab.h and extend. This is a variable y_l value, and then close with open close brace, and then it should be separated by the delimiters percentage and percentage. Now this is the rule section. So this is the rule section. 0 to 9 plus this is a regular expression, and here open brace and close brace is the format. This is the rule section which is followed by the regular expression. It just converts a string to the number and send the value. So it just returns a text, and then we'll see the YAC part. This is a definition section. It should be it just starts with a percentage and open brace #include stdio.h and #include stdlibrary.h. And now we'll see the regular expression. These are the regular expressions, and this followed by the rule section. So $1 plus $3, this is for addition, and $1 minus $3 is for subtraction, $1 into $3 is for multiplication, and this is if condition $3 equals to 0, then it's going to print divide by 0 error, and if it going for division, then we'll get a expression 1, and int y by error. This is the main function in this C code. In this main function we can see the execution part, We are going to enter an expression, we are going to pass it. So this is the output by using the gedit compiler, gedit editor. So gedit program, that means file name.l. This is for lex and this is for yak. And the same steps what we have discussed over here, the same steps we are following here. In this steps whatever we have discussed, the same steps we can apply for the output part. So this is lex filename.l and yak -d filename.py, and this is the C, by using the C compiler cc lex.yy.c y.tab.c -ll, and to run the code ./a.out will be getting the output.